Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to be looking at Uniswap token and its valuations against Bitcoin. Sorry. Remember, if you do like this video and the other videos that I make on this channel, be sure to hit the like button down below and also consider subscribing. So with Uniswap, we are seeing kind of a back test, you would say. Um, a few weeks ago, we saw Uniswap break out of this structure here. Um, Specifically in April, we saw a breakout. We moved up. We came up to the prior all-time high, came back down, got rejected, came up again for a second time, poked our heads up a little bit, but got rejected again. But we held the top line as support now. Much like how we saw support here, it just after we poked our heads out of the structure, we came back down, held it, and came back up. So this is good. I mean, we're holding it as support. We're not breaking back down, but we're having some trouble breaking the prior all-time high for Uniswap against Bitcoin. So uh, we'll see what happens, for the rest of the week. Today we put in, a 10%, 11% move against Bitcoin. If we have another green day tomorrow, we should be able to break out. But that isn't to say for certain. Another scenario that we could see ourselves in is that we simply move sideways from here. We consolidate again, much like how we consolidated here, moved up, consolidated again. We could be using the prior all-time high and the newfound support that we see at 60,600 Satoshis and simply just move sideways from here, which is all well and good. That's fine with me. I'm not particularly keen on trading actively on Uniswap. I just have my position and I'm holding it. But that is a scenario that we could see ourselves in. But I would contend if Uniswap is able to break out, I'm going to be extremely bullish. It would really be the sky's the limit for this asset. The only way I think it would happen is if Bitcoin continues to stay at these levels. Okay, if it continues to stay here with low volatility like it has in the past, half a month. Ever since April, we've been holding this level, compared to uh, this half here, where our swings were a little bigger. At the moment right now, we've just been holding, $56,000 for a half a month. If Bitcoin's able to hold that, then Uniswap has the capabilities of breaking out, and we could see another move like what we saw here that really shot it up in valuation. Uh, Keep in mind that from bottom to where we are now, Uniswap has increased about 487% against Bitcoin, which is extremely impressive. Anyway, that is kind of the scenario I have. Uh, I think as long as Bitcoin's holding steady, all coins are doing well. And especially if you want to narrow it down, but it's not really narrowing it down. If ERC20 tokens are doing well, I would imagine Uniswap's going to do fairly well as well, catching in some of that liquidity through its exchange. But that's pretty much it for today, you guys. Again, Uniswap's up 12% almost for today. However, we haven't seen anything special just yet. We've really just been moving sideways, hitting our heads on top of the prior all-time high and finding support at the last local high of the structure for Uniswap. Obviously, we'll take it day by day and obviously week by week to see where we might land. So you can see that the past 3 weeks we've just been holding this level. We'll see by the end of the week if we're able to poke our heads out or not, or if Bitcoin makes a volatile move to the upside or the downside. This obviously gets invalidated, and I could expect the Uniswap Bitcoin ratio to come back down. But fingers crossed that everything stays the same. That's what I've been saying for the past month or so, for at least May and most of April, I would say. If Bitcoin continues to stay the way it is, altcoins are still going to continue to do well on the whole. And you can see that with the Bitcoin dominance chart. I mean, I don't have to tell you that. Look at this. The alt season is still here. Altcoins still have the momentum, and they'll keep having the momentum until it stops. But that's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.